When it comes to retinitis pigmentosa, RP, one of the most exciting and hopeful areas of research is stem cell therapy. While gene therapy works on fixing faulty genetic instructions, stem cell research takes a different approach, replacing the damaged cells themselves. Here's how it works. The retina, the thin layer of tissue at the back of the eye, is made up of highly specialized cells that capture light and send signals to the brain, allowing us to see in RP. Many of these cells gradually stop functioning and eventually die, which leads to progressive vision loss. Stem cell therapy aims to replace those lost cells with healthy ones, essentially giving the retina a second chance to work. Stem cells are remarkable because they have the potential to grow into many different types of cells, including the light-sensing cells needed for vision. Scientists are now testing whether these cells can be transplanted into the retina, survive in their new environment, and take over the work of the damaged ones. Early studies are showing promising signs. In small clinical trials, some patients have reported partial improvements in vision, such as being able to detect light, shapes, or movement more clearly. These may sound like small changes, but for someone living with RP, they can mean greater independence and confidence in daily life. Of course, there are still challenges. Researchers need to ensure transplanted cells connect properly within the retina, function reliably, and remain safe over time. This process requires patience, but with each trial, science moves a step closer to real-world treatments. For many living with RP, stem cell research represents something powerful, the possibility of restoring vision. It's not just science, it's hope for a more connected and independent future. This channel will continue sharing updates on stem cell breakthroughs, because every new discovery brings us closer to making that hope a reality.